Welcome back to OneEuroPhoto.com. Today, let's take a deep dive into the timeless Sony a6000 camera. Launched in 2014, this mirrorless wonder shook the photography world with its compact build, remarkable autofocus, and stellar image quality. But in the ever-evolving landscape of camera technology, does this small camera, the Sony a6000, still stand tall in 2023 as a budget-friendly gem? Before we begin, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for our latest tech reviews and photography tips. The 6000 boasts a 24.3 megapixel aps-c sensor, a testament to its ability to capture stunning, high-resolution images with impressive detail and vibrant colors. Its fast hybrid autofocus system, combined with a fast 11 frames per second burst shooting and equipped with 179 phase detection points, delivers quick and accurate focusing, making it perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects, sports, or wildlife. Let's begin with the strengths of compact and lightweight design. The 6000's portability remains a standout feature, making it an excellent choice for travelers and photographers on the go. Exceptional image quality. It's an aps-c sensor, delivers sharp and detailed images with accurate color reproduction, catering to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Fast autofocus system. With its 179-point phase detection autofocus, the camera ensures swift and precise focusing even in challenging shooting conditions. Versatile lens compatibility. The Sony mount system and a wide array of compatible lenses from both Sony and third-party manufacturers offer versatility in photography styles. Continuous shooting speed, capable of shooting at an impressive 11 frames per second, ideal for capturing fast-paced action moments. And now the cons, because there are a couple. Battery life. The Sony a6000's battery life is decent at best, requiring frequent recharging or carrying spare batteries for extended shooting sessions. The camera uses a small NPFW 50 battery with which 350 images or approximately 60 minutes of video can be shot. This is very poor performance. Lack of touchscreen. Unlike newer models, this mirrorless camera lacks a touchscreen interface, which may be less intuitive for users accustomed to touch controls. Weather sealing. The camera's weather sealing is limited, making it less resistant to moisture and dust compared to higher-end models. Absence of in-body image stabilization. Without it, users might experience challenges in achieving smooth handheld footage of shooting in low-light conditions. Small body with few buttons. Already due to its size, it has few programmable buttons, so we have to search for a setting in the menu, which is already difficult to see. The menu system might overwhelm beginners due to its extensive options and less intuitive navigation. And lastly, video capabilities. This camera shoots only at 1080p, which is today's standards, when everything is in 4K, maybe not enough. But despite the evolving landscape of newer camera models boasting enhanced features, the Sony a6000 continues to hold its ground. Its affordability and enduring image quality still make it a compelling choice, particularly for photography enthusiasts seeking a quality mirrorless camera without a hefty price tag. In conclusion, the Sony a6000 in 2023 remains a budget-friendly gem, offering excellent image quality, a compact design, and versatile shooting capabilities. However, in a rapidly evolving technological sphere, it's vital to consider its limitations against your specific photography needs and preferences. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your experiences with the Sony a6000? Do you think it's still a viable choice in today's market, or do you have your eye on or alternatives? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with others who love photography. Thanks for watching, and don't stop capturing those amazing moments. Until next time.